Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I wanted to show you a super easy way to grow poppies no matter where you live, and they're totally mobile. Let me turn this around so you can get an up-close view. So as you can see, these poppies are growing and blooming directly seeded in 1 cubic foot bags of soil cube. So you can see I just cut the top off and then I punctured some holes towards the bottom. Last summer I grew tomatoes in these bags and I just ripped the tomato out, and then I direct seeded the poppies in late November right in these bags of soil cube. And these have been on the south side of the north side of a south facing fence. So they've actually been in way more shade than what would be ideal. But it's a great experiment because it shows that even if all you have is a patio and you only get part day of sun, you could totally do this. So these cubic foot bags are available in the lower 48. And if you want to grow poppies and only have an apartment or, you know, a small patio area, this is totally an option. I'm so pleased with how this experiment turned out. And I think that the flowers would be even bigger if they were just grown in more sun. Talk about hitting the easy button. Well, I hope you'll be inspired and keep this strategy in mind next fall when it's poppy sowing time. And I hope that you found this video to be helpful. Please be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical, out-of-the-box gardening advice. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy poppy season!